Now to talk about Space Shiba Inu and all the related link in about this one project you will be get in the video description, so you can check them all one by one. Before we start, a small disclaimer: this is not going to be any investment advice. My job is to find and introduce to you about most trusted and reliable project. Always do your own research before investing in any project. And please make sure if you are new to the channel, so please subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update from the Shan Hormuz. So today I am going to be looking at a project that I covered previously called Space Shiba Inu. They have already began development for a lot of their future plans, such as NFT marketplace as well as P2E games etc. I think with the docs team as well as solid foundation that can achieve $10 million market cap pretty quickly. So you can see right now, this is a project Space Shiba Inu, and I want to give you complete detail about this one project. And if you look to the main title of this one project, hi, my name is Space Shiba Inu. I'm the most promising crypto token of this galaxy. Fasten your seat belts because our trip to the moon is gonna be wild. So this is you can also indicate from this main title what can then say. And after that, I just want to open the white paper, because you know we always looking to the white paper and also search about that what can they done in the past and what will be the use cases in the future of this one project, so we can check all them. So after that, I just want to check out the mission of Space Shiba Inu. Our talented mission control team is working tirelessly to build a space program that will get our community token to the launch pad, into the rocket and off to the moon. This one space theme token is more than just the next meme project. We are committed to this journey through the stars for the long run. Our mission aims to discover and stack rare collectible NFTs throughout our Viyoga, earn rewards for our passenger, and filled in the downtime with existing play to earn game until the day we land on the moon and start building our own metaverse. This will be an adventure for the ages. So I'm just going to click on the white paper, but I will give you complete detail about the white paper at the end of this video. After that, if you want to join the social platform of this one project, social IDs of this one project like Instagram, Telegram and as well as Twitter, so you can also join them, because you will be get a different type of giveaways and as well as airdrops and different type of rewards from this project Space Shiba Inu, because it is also too much important. You won't me any update miss from this one project. After that, I just want to go and give you some detail about tokenomics. Tokenomics 3 are locked liquidity pool, 100% LP token locked. And if you look to the great rewards, 2% reflection to holders, hyper deflation or 2% burning on each transaction, growing liquidity, 2% contribution to locked LP, investment wallet, 2% contribution to investment wallet, huge marketing, 2% contribution to market wallet, and to wealth. Maximum transaction is capped at 3%. After that, how can you buy this one project? So first of all, you must be install the MetaMask, or if you want to buy on laptop or system, then you will be must add the MetaMask at your extension box right here. After that, you will be able to buy this one token. First of all, you must be right here, you search about Chrome web store. After that, after some time later, you can just click on that. After that, you can see we just wait for that, and I'm just giving you some detail about how can you install the MetaMask. Right here, MetaMask is also shown here, but if they are don't show here, so it means that you simply click on and you can search about MetaMask. Right here you can see I'm just clicking on that. After that you simply click on that and you simply click on this button, add to Chrome. After that your MetaMask will be add to your extension box in some time. It's all depend upon your internet connection. So after that, if your MetaMask is added here, after that you will be able to use the MetaMask, and firstly you must be create account in MetaMask. After that you can see right here send BNB to MetaMask. So right here it is also too much important, and you must be transfer BNB to your MetaMask wallet. Make sure to use BAC network. So you must be use the BAC network, and you also select the BAC network from in MetaMask. So it is also too much important. After that you simply connect to PancakeSwap. Make sure the network tabs in your MetaMask wallet is set to BNB Binance Smart Chain. And after that you simply swap BNB for SSI space Shiba Inu. After that you simply buy this one space Shiba Inu. Right here if you look to PancakeSwap, I'm just want to click on PancakeSwap. Right here you can see, and after that you simply click on this exchange button, and after that you will be again able to buy this one token. I'm just gonna give you some detail about this one. After that you simply click on the connect wallet, and you must be add your MetaMask. I already told about that at your extension box, so you simply click on that, and it is too much important to select the Binance Smart Chain in MetaMask. And after that you simply come back to main page of this one project, and right here there's a main requirement of there's a different requirement of any project. You must be select the slippage about 11% on PancakeSwap, and this is a contract address I will be placed in my my description box. So I'm just gonna to copy that, and after that I'm just come back to this one page and click on this setting button. And after that you can see I'm just click on that, and after that sometime later I'm just clicking on and root here 11. After that they will be able to create the slippage almost 11. So I'm just click here, and I'm just gonna to cross this. So after that you can see we just wait for that. So you can see you simply you can see slippage is set almost 11%, because this is a requirement of this one project. You can see right here. After that you simply copy this one address, and after that you simply click on that. After that you simply paste this one address from where you can copy this one address. So simply paste it. After some time later SSI will be shown here. So we just wait for that, and after that I'm just going to show you. It's all depend upon your internet connection, because you know no result found, that means our internet connection is low. So we just wait for wait, and after that I'm just gonna to cross that, and again I'm do try for that. So it's all depend upon your internet connection. So again I'm just going to click on that, and again I'm gonna to paste this one address. So right here you can see. After that after some time later they will be directly shown here. So if this are give you a issue, then please contact me on my Telegram channel, because my internet connection is low, that's why they didn't appear right now. And after that I just want to come back to main page of this one project. Right here you can see Spaceship Craves is a CEO, Daniel Sinek, Android and Java developer, and CMO Cheris CFs, marketing expert, creative advisor, land designer. So this is all detail about this one project, and if you want, so you can check out them one by one. But after that I'm just gonna to give you some detail about the white paper is because it is also too much important. So right here you can see, if you look to table of contents, start map, value, ecosystem, space, Shiba coin, and space Shiba protocol tokenomics. So in this I already told many type of in this, but right now I just going to give you some detail about star map. So you can see there's a moon landing, and you can see this is a main task in moon landing, introduction into the metaverse, some more to comes, and after that transit to moon. And you can see this is all detail about P2E games, so this is also too much important, and CEX listing, major partnership, and stable orbit. So this is all are more important for this one project. Construction and launch, so they just can done this one process because they also didn't launch D app as well as smart content card yet, and CGs and CMC listing, P2E games, and as well as if you look to additional P2E games, major partnerships, real world events. So this project have a more and more upcoming events, so you must be participating in that. And after that this is a trust, and they just give you some detail about that, but I didn't want to give you about that, so because I already told about this one ecosystem as well as tokenomics. But this is a major important things where I want to clarify for you star map. That's why I'm told about this one project. This project have a more potential in coming time. And if you like the video, so please subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so you won't miss an update from Zishan Hormuz. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. See you next video.